Hello, this is Ivaylov team, and today we will make you a short instructions about the automatic decoder HU101 because we have a new generation and we have some differences with the opening of the locks. We have very good percentage of opening. Now everything is smoother with the new generation, but we need to show you some little differences with the opening. So you can recognize the last generation outside by the shape of the pins. See, the pins are round because the old generation the pins was quadra and now they are round. Inside, of course, the difference is very big between the new and the old, but you cannot see from the outside. So as always, we start with the resetting of the tool. We have 6 holes in one side. You must push it all the way. This is very important. 6 holes here and 4 holes here. Push all of them. Check to see if every pin is in starting position. Now everything is okay. The biggest difference with the older tool is you don't push them back like this. With the old tool we push them because of the quadra shape, but now we don't. They must pops out a little. This makes the opening more smooth and the percentage of stucking inside is almost 0. So now when we check everything is okay, now we can close the gate. The back wheel goes all the way right. We hold the gate like this because we don't want to open by itself, and check what is the correct side. Check this and this. If the gate is popping out, this is the wrong side. Like this is the wrong side. We must change position like this. Now this gate don't move, so everything is okay. Now we can open the gate and give tension first in opening position. Go the back wheel all the way left, then all the way right, then release easy the tension. After that we go with the tension to the opposite side. Again all the way left, right, release the tension, and we just repeat this procedure, tension left, tension right, until the lock is open. Now we can turn the wheel all the way left, jiggle it like this to imprint better the combination. Go to the starting position. This wheel is all the way left. We close the gate, then the wheel goes all the way right, and we extract the tool. Reading of the combination is the same as before. We open the gate. We check these lines here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we see which pin corresponds with which line. This, for example, pin is all the way up, This is number 1, and this is all the way down. This is number 5. Again, check here. This is 1, this is 3, this is 4, this is 2, this is 2, and this is 4. This is Ivaylov team. If you have any questions about the tool, don't hesitate to contact us.